Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Mini Cooper hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the driver's side, near the footwell. It's often marked with a car icon and an open hood. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a distinct click. This action releases the primary latch, causing the hood to pop up slightly, creating a small gap at the front. Now, move to the front of your Mini Cooper. You'll notice the hood has lifted slightly, creating a small opening. Carefully look into this gap, usually around the center of the grille, just above the Mini emblem. You are searching for the secondary safety latch. This small lever or tab is designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally, providing an extra layer of security. With the secondary latch located, reach into the gap and either push or pull the small lever, depending on your Mini Cooper model. While holding this latch in the released position, use your other hand to gently lift the hood upwards. It should now swing open smoothly. Be mindful of the hood's weight as you lift it, ensuring a controlled and steady motion to avoid any sudden movements. Finally, to keep the hood safely open, locate the metal prop rod. It's typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Lift the hood fully with one hand, then unclip the prop rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. Make sure the rod is firmly seated in the hole. This ensures the hood remains securely open while you work, preventing any accidental closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.